पैर छूते हैं and पैर, they come and, everybody.
उससे बस ऐसा लगता है पैकअप तो नहीं हो गया आपका. नो इट्स जस्ट आई थिंक सबको अपना अपना मार्ग खुद ढूंढना पड़ता है एंड सबको अपने रास्ते खुद ढूंढने पड़ते हैं. अगर किसी को आप फॉलो करेंगे तो आई थिंक आप कभी कामयाब नहीं हो सकते. तो आई थिंक जितने लोग हैं सो सब इंस्पिरेशन आप बहुत लोगों से ले सकते हैं लेकिन रास्ता तो आपको खुद ही ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
But are you, because they all look up to you so much, do you give them a lot of advice, and do they come to you for a lot of advice, and have three, four of them come to you for advice?
Where Aman is concerned, honestly speaking, he keeps getting fired from me all the time. Whatever he does is not enough for me. So he works very hard, but I keep pushing him and I keep saying it's not enough. So I don't know, he likes it sometimes, he doesn't like it sometimes, but that's how I am and that's how I will be.
Okay. So I'm going to ask Aman, what's he like as an uncle and what's he like as a co-star?
I think he got it spot on. He is as loving as he is strict. So when it comes to having fun and enjoying family time, he's very loving. But when it comes to work, you'll want to run away. You'll want to run away, actually. Very strict.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Ajay sir and Ravina ma'am have of course worked together. What was your earliest memory of Ajay Devgan? Do you ever remember visiting him on a film set? What was it like?
Unfortunately, I doubt. I don't think so. I must have been very young if I did, but I don't remember.
I think since she was born, I think we didn't work together.
Yeah, I don't think so. But I do. The first time I met him was on set when we were shooting, and it was a bit intimidating because firstly, everything was intimidating for me. But when I was meeting him, I was very nervous. But he has this aura that just makes everyone feel comfortable. So luckily, throughout, we've just felt so secure and nice, and it's just been such a fun experience.
But what would be your major takeaway from the filmographies and the careers of, let's say, Ajay sir and Kajol ma'am?
I think a film that I saw very young and it really shook me was Bhagat Singh. It really made me want to become an actor. And for the latter, I would say probably Kuch Kuch Hota.
Hi, Ronnie sir. Straight with producers like you and some giants like you, to be on the lookout for great stories, of course, but also be on the lookout for newer talent who probably have a much more raw emotions and a willingness to do the extra. So you have been associated with doing stuff like that, where you are on the lookout for a new talent and you back that talent with mounting a film like Azad and much more.
I think this question of new talent is I've been a first generation entrepreneur, so if anyone called me new at that stage, I would take that as an insult. I think talent is talent. When you spot it and you back it and you have the vision of a director and you have a great script, that's what it is. So I don't think I've ever looked at it as new talent or somebody who's done something before, because for everyone, there's a first time. And for people who've been at it for 10 years, there's always a first time again. So that's how I look at it. So I think, and that's the beauty of it. Talent is real talent wherever you are.
अलग था वो दौर, अलग था. 30 साल से ज़्यादा हो चुके हैं. अब अमन और आशा डेब्यू करने जा रहे हैं. कितना कुछ बदल गया है न्यू कमर के लिए और कितना कुछ नहीं बदला है, आप किस तरह से देखते हैं इसे?
आई थिंक बहुत कुछ बदल गया. और जब हम आए थे तब एक रौनक थी. अब आज की जो जनरेशन है वो इतनी ज़्यादा तैयार आ रही है कि जो बहुत अच्छी बात है. हम तो सेट पे आके सीख रहे थे और ऑडियंस कहीं हमको माफ़ भी कर देती थी हमारी गलतियाँ. बट आज की ऑडियंस आई थिंक किसी को माफ़ नहीं करती. तो आज आपको पूरी तैयारी के साथ आना पड़ता है और होपफुली आई फील के दोनों बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छी तैयारी की है और अभिषेक ने उनको बहुत अच्छा गाइड किया है. जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा कि मैं अमन को हमेशा डांटता रहता हूँ, तो चाहे कितनी भी मेहनत करे मुझे लगता है कि इट्स नॉट इनफ, क्योंकि वो मुझे पता है कि जो ऑडियंस है वो आज किसी को माफ़ नहीं करती. तो इसलिए आप जितना भी करें उतना कम है। तो ये एक बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर है आज की जनरेशन पे।
एक सवाल और छोटा सा